Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a Burano polygel kit to review for you guys today. Super excited. So in this kit, you will get a 168 watt lamp. That's what that says in the manual, you guys. I don't know if they've mistaken that for a 68 watt, but it says 168 watt right here. 168 watt. You got 36 LEDs. I mean, okay, have you guys ever heard of 168 watt? Let me know down below. It's really nice. I really like the way it looks. It's got a handle on it. You can carry it around. It's very lightweight. It's got 10-second, 30-second, 60-second, and 99-second buttons. You can put your phone up there. So if you get any notifications while you're doing your nails, you can look at that. Super cute. Not a bad idea. Good job, Burano. So the bottom of it does come off so you can clean it. Like I said, 36 LED lights. Got your sensors on each side. So when you put your nail in, the light will come on. Really nice. So it does come, of course, with your plug. The plug will go into the back. And that's how, of course, you will plug it in. Here it is on Amazon. It comes with all that lovely stuff for $59.99. Links will be down below. So it does have some tips and tricks, and it shows you how to apply the dual forms and all that good stuff. A lot of information that is needed for someone who is just beginning. Okay, you get like I said, a lot of different colored polygels. They are the smaller tubes. I believe they are 15 mLs. You get a variety of colors. And I will say I've always enjoyed Burano's polygel. So we get a 100-180 grit file, your paper forms. You get your Burano top coat. You get your Burano 3-in-1. It's a nail glue, a slip solution, and a base. I love that stuff. You get a slip solution. You get a cuticle oil, milk and honey, which is nice, something new. 30 mLs, pretty nice size. You get your brush, your spatula. You get a dampen dish. You get 12 sizes of the straighter dual forms. You get 10 sizes of coffin nails, full cover. Now I wouldn't suggest these for bigger thumbed people because they are not very large. As you can see here, this is the 0. And my thumbs aren't really that big, and that just about fit. So that is everything that comes in the kit. Let's move on to the swatching. So this kit comes with a variety. You get your clear, your white. Now with this clear, I will be putting it in my clearest polygel video. We're going to be testing that out. It will be coming soon, ladies. I know I still have to do those, but they are coming. So, like I said, it does come with a nice clear. It comes with a white. It comes with a lot of really nice nude, like cover pinks, cover nudes, however you want to say that. Like your base colors. Alright, so now we're getting into the more colorful colors. We have a really nice pink, we got a green, we got a blue, we got some color changing ones. Number 11 and 12 are the color changers. So it's like a purple, like a clear, like a jelly purple, and then like a jelly orange. And they both turn to like a frosty clear, if that makes sense. So really nice. So far, so good. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my star glue. This is a regular foil glue. I'm using it as a peel-off base method. You guys know I use this all the time. It works fabulous. Shout out to Tia Bella Beauty. So here we are using the Eno Couture XXL pipe nails. This is what they look like. Now I do not like the shape. So what I do is I always clip off just the tip. Just the very tip. And it turns into kind of like a pipe square nail or a square pipe, if that makes sense. So you're going to go ahead and clip those. Now these are not pre-etched, guys. You're going to have to pre-etch those. Also, make sure your nails are prepped and ready before you do any of your base gel or anything like that. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my base 3-in-1. We're going to go from cuticle to free edge with your base coat. Once you have your base coat on, go ahead and give that a 30-second cure. Alright, so here I am priming the underside of these nails because these are not pre-etched. So here are all the colors that I'm using. Now I start taking the polygels one by one, putting a very tiny bead on the underside of the nail, right at the tip, very small bead. Dip my brush in the slip solution, and then I start to work that polygel down into that nail, making sure it's smooth, making sure the underside of that nail still has that nice curve, because you don't want this part to be too thick or it's just not going to look right. So just smooth that polygel out, make sure it goes from one side to the other. Now, you guys know I only go about halfway for any of my new followers. Thank you guys for joining my channel. The reason I only go about halfway and then I'll freeze cure it is when I flip my nail over to apply them to my nails, the polygel isn't slipping and sliding and it's not gushing out everywhere and it's not sticking to my nails. Like, this just makes sense for me, so that's why I do it. And this is how I've always done it. So once I get to right about there, I'm going to go ahead and do a flash cure. Now we're going to go in with the cuticle bead. You're only going to apply a very small bead. You're going to pull that where there's missing spots, as you can see there. I'm pulling it up the nail. I'm going to make sure that it's nice and smooth. Once you're done, turn it over at a 45-degree angle, apply it to your nail, and freeze cure it. Again, a very small bead. Smooth that from one side to the other, filling in all of those extra little like missing gaps. Flip it, apply it, freeze cure it. Clean up anything around the edges if you do have anything that spews out. I love this polygel. It worked so nice. It's not too thick. It's not too runny. It worked great, you guys. 2 thumbs up for Burano. So after I apply all of the nails, I'll go in and do a 60-second cure. You always want to give the nails a full cure. Also, a lot of people ask me where I get my lamp stand and my light. It is in my description box. So now I'm going to go in with my Burano top coat, and I'm going to top coat the underside of those nails, going right over that polygel. This will give it strength, and it's going to cover up any of that stickiness that the polygel gave off. Also, these nails, I am using some teddy bear stickers by Couture. These were inspired by the Frenemies Teddy Fresh podcast. So if you guys know what I'm talking about, comment down below. Alright, so this little tool is like a little screwdriver I got from Amazon. It comes with your jump rings, screwdriver, it comes with needle nose pliers. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking the little screwdriver and making 2 little holes for the jump rings to go in. And these holes were not big enough, so I did have to use my e-file. Alright, and then I take my needle nose pliers, pop in the O-rings, close them, and you're good to go. And they look so cute. They really look so cute. They give the nail a little extra something, you know what I mean? Now to apply the stickers. So these are the stickers, like I said, from Eno Couture. You guys can use my 10% off discount code. I'll leave it linked below. These are from my friend Bobby. I will link his Instagram below. He sent me those little teddy bears as some friend mail a while back. Thank you, Bobby. I absolutely love the teddy bears. They are so adorable, and they went with this set so well. So these are the stickers. They laid really nice and flat. I didn't have any of them rip on me like I had in the past. These ones laid really nice. They're really great. They really are. Really cute, really adorable teddy bears, guys. So I'm going to take my Squeezy Gummy Jelly by Eno Couture and apply the teddy bear. So I'm just going to put a little dollop of that gel there. Apply the cute little teddy bear and freeze cure it. Then I'm going to go in with my Burano No Wipe Top Coat and top coat the nails. So apply your top coat, cap your free edge. Go ahead and cure that after you're done for 60 seconds. Into the light for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to go in with Burano's cuticle oil. I love this stuff. It smells amazing. My Teddy Fresh Teddy Bear Burano Polygel Nails. I know that's a handful to say, but I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. Would you guys rock these? Would you guys wear these? Let me know down in the comment section below. Go grab yourself one of these kits. It comes with everything a beginner would need. It comes with everything that I would need. I love it. Thank you, Burano, for sending it to me for review. 2 thumbs up to them. Guys, in the comment section, I want to see some teddy bear emojis. Please don't forget, subscribe if you are new. Give it a big thumbs up. Share it with a friend. Share it with a family member. Share it with an enemy, frenemy, whatever. Hope you guys have a blessed day.